Creating Woodforest mobile account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create Woodforest mobile account. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you actually have to sign up for Woodforest online banking. Once you have done with that, you can actually use the application of Woodforest on your mobile phone, or you can use online banking on your laptop as well. Now, how to do it? So, in order to do it, you have to be at your Google, and here you have to search for Woodforest online banking. Now, after searching for Woodforest online banking, you just have to go to the first, which should say login Woodforest, which should be mobile banking online. Now, here, as you guys can see, it wants you to, you put your username or password. If you have, you can put it. If you do not have, just click on this enroll in online banking link. Now, what it will do is you just have to, fill out these information, and at the very end, you will have an online banking setup for your Woodforest. You can actually use the online banking on laptop, and you can actually download the Woodforest app to access it on your mobile phone as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.